Good afternoon, it's EMS Automotive, and we're working on 52 to 54 Ford cars. We didn't forget about you guys. We're making parts for them too. Any Ford car, 50 to 58, we got parts for you. But the 52 to 54, not forgotten about. We made our ever popular door bottom kit. When the bottom of your door is rusted, we got the inner and outer of the door. And we got your 18 gauge inner and we got your 20 gauge outer with the flanges to hem over. You get your hemming pliers and you put them on there and you will have a brand new door bottom. And we go up high enough to catch the, over here we go up high enough. We didn't drill it out, but this is where your bottom hinge goes. So this goes up high enough to do all your work. Fits all two-door cars, hardtop sedans, whatever you need. EMS Automotive. You'll find us on our website, emsautomotive.com. You'll also find us on eBay under EMS Automotive.